Today, we mark the 50th anniversary of the Eisenstadt versus Baird Supreme Court decision. It was Griswold versus Connecticut, the 1965 Supreme Court ruling, which first made birth control legal for unmarried people and established a person's right to privacy in regards to their family planning decisions. But it wasn't until 7 years later, in 1972, that the Supreme Court extended that right to everyone, married or not. In 1967, William Baird, the clinical director at a contraceptive company, gave a lecture to students at Boston University about the importance of birth control. At the end of that lecture, Baird invited the audience to come to the stage and take some samples of the contraceptive methods. After personally giving a woman vaginal foam, he was arrested for violating a Massachusetts law that said only married people were allowed to use birth control. Of course, Baird sued, and his lawsuit made it all the way to the Supreme Court. And on March 22nd, 1972, the court struck down the Massachusetts law in a 6-1 ruling. Writing for the majority, Justice William Brennan wrote, "If the right of privacy means anything, it is the right of the individual, married or single, to be free from unwarranted governmental intrusion into matters so fundamentally affecting a person as the decision whether to bear or beget a child." Eisenstadt was a major milestone in public health and in reproductive rights. But still, here, 50 years later, this and other landmark rulings in reproductive rights are still under grave threat. So today, on the anniversary of Eisenstadt, and every day, we must do everything we can do to ensure that all people have access to the comprehensive reproductive health care that they need.